भगवान् भगहानन्दी वनमाली हलायुधः आदित्यो ज्योतिरादित्यः सहिष्णुर्गतिसत्तमः. This verse glorifies Bhagavan Vishnu as the source of divine power, bliss, light and protection. The name Bhagavan signifies the Supreme Being who possesses all spiritual and material opulence. Bhagaha reminds devotees that he can remove worldly attachments and ego, while Anandi reveals his eternal nature as pure bliss. Vanamali refers to the Bhagwan adorned with celestial gardens Vaijayanti, symbolizing victory and divine beauty. Halayudha connects him with his manifestation as Balaram, the wielder of the plough representing strength and righteousness. The names Aditya and Jyotiraditya portray Vishnu as the radiant source of cosmic light, illuminating both the universe and human consciousness. Sahishnuhu highlights his infinite patience and compassion towards all beings. Finally, Gatisattamaha declares him the highest refuge and ultimate destination for every soul seeking liberation. This shloka teaches that Bhagavan Vishnu is the embodiment of bliss, divine light, strength, and mercy. By remembering these sacred names, devotees cultivate faith, inner peace, and a deeper connection with the Supreme Bhagavan. सुधन्वाखण्डपरशुर् दारुणो द्रविणप्रदः दिवस्पृक् सर्वदृग्व्यासो वाचस्पतिरयो निजः. This verse glorifies Bhagavan Vishnu as the supreme protector, teacher, and bestower of prosperity. Sudhanva signifies him who wields the divine bow, symbolizing his readiness to protect righteousness. Khandaparshuhu refers to him who carries the mighty axe, destroying ignorance and evil. As Darunaha, he is fierce towards negativity, yet compassionate towards devotees. The name Dravinapradaha highlights Vishnu as the giver of wealth, success, and spiritual abundance. Divasprik means the one who touches the heavens, indicating his limitless and transcendent nature. Sarvadrik reveals him as the all-seeing Bhagwan who witnesses every action and thought. Vyasaha signifies the divine source of sacred wisdom, while Vachaspatihi portrays him as the Bhagwan of speech and knowledge. Finally, Ayonijaha declares his eternal existence, unborn and beyond the cycle of creation. This shloka reminds devotees that Bhagavan Vishnu is both the protector who removes obstacles and the supreme guide who grants wisdom, prosperity, and liberation. His divine vision encompasses all existence, making him the eternal refuge for seekers of truth. Trisama samagassama nirvanam bheshajam bhishak sannyasakritchamashanto nishtha shanti parayanam. This shloka reveals Bhagavan Vishnu as the ultimate source of peace, healing, and liberation. The names Trisama, Samagaha, and Sama connect him with the sacred Samaveda, highlighting his presence in divine music, harmony, and spiritual wisdom. As Nirvanam, Vishnu is the supreme state of liberation that frees devotees from the cycle of birth and death. Through the names Bheshajam, the medicine, and Bhishak, the divine physician, the Bhagavan is described as the healer of both worldly sufferings and spiritual ignorance. The names Sanyasakrit, Shamaha, and Shantaha emphasize detachment, self-control, and inner tranquility. Vishnu guides seekers towards a life of discipline and spiritual balance. Finally, as Nishtaha, Shantihi, and Parayanam, he is the ultimate goal, the embodiment of peace, and the final refuge for all souls. This shloka teaches that true healing, lasting peace, and ultimate liberation are attained through devotion to Bhagavan Vishnu. शुभांगशान्तिदस्रष्टा कुमुदः कुवलेशयः गोहितो गोपतिर्गोप्ता वृषभाक्षो वृषप्रियः. This verse glorifies Bhagavan Vishnu as the source of beauty, peace, protection, and righteousness. Shubhangaha describes him as possessing auspicious and divine features that inspire devotion. Shantidaha means the giver of peace, calming the minds of those who surrender to him. As Srashtaha, he is the creator of the universe and all living beings. The names Kumudaha and Kuvaleshayaha reveal his compassionate nature, bringing joy to the earth and resting upon the cosmic waters. Gohitaha, Gopatihi, and Gopta highlight his role as the protector of cows, the earth, the senses, and all creation. Finally, Vrishabhakshaha and Vrishabhpriyaha connect him with dharma, righteousness, showing that he watches over and loves those who walk the path of virtue.